Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers and my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. And just a warning, they're doing remodeling upstairs, so that you might hear some banging. So that's what's gonna be in the background. But pick these up from Finish Line. So let's crack this open right here. And this pair is actually going to be going to a follower of mine on Instagram. So here it is. Again, this is from Finish Line right there. Now, as you can see, it is a Jordan 1 box right here. You got the Nike up top, Nike pretty much everywhere. Size 10, suggested retail is $160. Colorway, this is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG NRG Energy. So colorway is black metallic gold. So if you know what released recently with those colors, you should already know what these are. These are the gold toe ones right here. See patent leather everywhere. The whole upper, the white, the black, the gold, the Jordan Wings logo, all patent leather. You got the black bottom, you know, the Nike swoosh right there in different colors. You got the nylon tongue, Nike Air on the tongue itself. And inside you will have Nike Air in gold. So just again, just a dope shoe in my opinion. Just helping out a buddy of mine, basically on Instagram. He wasn't able to get it, and I was able to get a second pair. As you already know, I was able to get mine through my local Foot Action. So this is my pair right here. So the two laces with the black, gold, white, and black. So just a quick look at a shoe that I picked up for a buddy of mine. So if you have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace out.